Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Outlook with Clickup in this updated 2026 setup. This is especially useful if you're running a Shopify store and managing customer emails, meetings, and tasks in different places. It's pretty simple once you know where everything is, so yeah, let's get into it. So first, make sure you're signed in to your Clickup workspace. Look down at the bottom left corner for your workspace name. Click that to open your workspace settings. This is where all the integrations live. Inside that settings menu, scroll a bit until you see Apps or Integrations. Go ahead and open that. It lists all the tools you can connect, Outlook included, so everything stays in sync instead of spread across multiple apps. Now find the Outlook or Microsoft Office integration card. Click the Connect button. A window will pop up asking you to sign in with your Outlook or Microsoft account. Just pick the account you're using for email and calendar, usually your main business email, and approve the permissions. Clickup will ask whether it can access your Outlook email and calendar. This lets you send emails from tasks, sync events, and attach messages. Usually, you'll want everything enabled so you get the full benefit, but you can toggle off anything you don't need. Alright, so let's test it. Open any task inside Clickup. You should see a new Outlook or Microsoft icon in the task toolbar. If you click it, you can attach emails, send messages, or link events directly from Outlook. This is great for keeping customer conversations, supplier emails, or internal communication tied to the right task. If that shows up, you're all set. If you want your meetings synced too, head to the calendar section inside Clickup. There should be an option to connect your Outlook calendar. Turn that on, and your events will show up automatically. Super helpful if you're scheduling tasks around meetings, calls, or product planning sessions, so you can see everything in one place. And one extra thing. You can also install the Clickup add-in inside Outlook. That lets you turn emails into tasks without leaving your inbox, which is a huge time saver if you get a lot of action items through email. Just open Outlook, go to the add-in store, search for Clickup, and install it. If you ever need to disconnect Outlook, switch accounts, or reset permissions, just go back to that same integrations page in Clickup. Click the three-dot menu next to Outlook and choose Disconnect or Manage Permissions. Super easy, and you can update things anytime your setup changes. And that's it! Your Outlook and Clickup are officially connected for 2026, and you're ready to automate your email and calendar workflow. This setup can really help you stay organized and focused as your Shopify business grows. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next.